Garlic tea has a wide variety of health benefits to offer and is extremely popular for its medicinal properties. For years, it has been used for adding flavor to food and for treating digestive distress. Besides that, garlic is known for its abilities to fight infections and controlling blood pressure. Welcome to Jamaican Things, and today we highlight 5 powerful benefits of garlic tea. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to keep up to date every time we post a new video. Number 5. Garlic boosts the immune system. Garlic contains compounds that helps the immune system fight germs. When garlic is crushed or chewed, a compound called alliin is released. This is the same compound that gives garlic its distinctive smell and taste. Alliin has been shown to boost the disease-fighting response of white blood cells in the body, and it is an excellent source to cure colds and flu. Number 4. Garlic has natural antibiotic properties. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. In fact, drinking garlic tea is effective in treating bacterial infections. The natural antibiotic properties of garlic tea dates back to ancient years when Greek soldiers drank it to cure infections. Number 3. Garlic improves respiratory system. Respiratory ailments can be treated with the help of garlic tea. The tea is extremely effective to help cure colds, coughs, fever, and nasal congestions. Garlic tea fosters the healing process and removes underlying bacteria, thereby treating respiratory infections. Number 2. Garlic improves heart health. Garlic is known for its benefits in controlling cholesterol. Drinking garlic tea every morning improves blood circulation and lowers bad cholesterol. In doing so, regularly consuming garlic tea helps prevent plaque from blocking your arteries, thereby lowering your risk of heart disease. Multiple studies have shown that garlic tea also helps to lower blood pressure. Number 1. Weight loss management. This refreshing beverage is a great way of losing weight. Garlic tea dissolves extra fat from all parts of the body. Besides this, garlic tea has metabolism boosting properties. This induces passive weight loss and suppresses your appetite. Garlic tea is most effective if taken on an empty stomach first thing in the morning to make the most of its weight loss benefits.